boy. Once, a boy lived with his grandparents. They were very poor. The boy was excited as Christmas was around the corner. Since there was hardly any money, the boy decided to work. He started grazing the neighbor's sheep after school. Thus, he collected some money by Christmas. He bought for his grandmother a woolen stole and his grandfather a pair of woolen gloves. Then, he bought some delicious cakes and sweets for them. On the way, he met some hungry orphans. He happily gave away the sweets to them. When he reached home, he only had the cake with him. He shared the cake with his grandparents. He gifted them the stole and the gloves. The grandparents were very happy. They blessed the boy. At night, as the boy slept, angels filled his house with delicious food and riches. God blessed him indeed for being the kindest person on Christmas and taking care of his grandparents. The Impatient Girl. Once, a girl named Irene lived with her parents on a big farm. Her father gifted her a lovely pony on Christmas. She was extremely happy. She wanted to ride. But her father warned her, saying, "The pony is naughty. Do not ride him alone. Also, you are not a good rider as yet. I promise I will take you for a ride tomorrow." Irene was impatient, but she did not say anything. When everybody was asleep at night, she quietly went to the stable. Then she took the pony out and tried to ride him. But the unfriendly pony kicked her hard as she went to sit on him. Irene fell on the ground. She started crying. She had broken her leg. Now she could not ride the pony for the next 3 months. Irene was ashamed that she had not listened to her father. Her Christmas was spoiled. He went to the church and cried before the law, "Please save my mother, Jesus." Just then he heard a voice, "I can help you. Take me home." Bert looked around. It was a magic needle. He understood that Jesus had heard his prayers. Bert ran home with the needle. The moment he threaded it, the needle jumped about and stitched all the clothes. It created many beautiful dresses. The next day, Bert sold the dresses and earned a lot of money. Then he bought medicines for his mother. With the passage of time, she recovered well. Bert's prayer on Christmas had been answered. The Magical Needle. Long, long ago, there lived a mother with a son, Boot. The mother stitched clothes for people. One day, she fell ill. The doctor said that the medicines could cure her. However, the medicines would cost a lot of money. Poor Bert felt helpless. He did not know where to get the money from. On Christmas Eve, the flowers. A little boy had no money to buy his mother a Christmas gift. But he was lucky as he found a dime on the road. He saw a flower shop and asked the owner if he could buy a flower. The owner surprised him by bringing 12 red roses. "That will be a dime, young boy," the shop owner said. The boy quickly took the roses and gave the money. The shop owner told his wife, "A strange thing happened this morning. I heard a voice telling me to set aside a dozen of my best roses. So I set them aside anyway." Then just a few minutes later, a little boy came into the shop and wanted to buy a flower for his mother. With one small dime, I gave him the flowers.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.